James Wilson with Old Capital. We're out here at Fountains of Jupiter, as you can see by this amazing sign behind us. It's a 108 unit in Dallas, and we are with one of the owners, Lisa Landry.
Yes.
Tell us about the property.
It's an awesome property. The thing we like about this property is it's all one bedroom and studio apartments. There's no playground. It's mostly an adult property, so it's very quiet. People, I think, are drawn to that. It's the smallest property anywhere around it. The next smallest one is like 230 units or something. So people are drawn, I think, to this quiet nature.
Looks like we have nice access to the highway here. We got 635. Right across the aerial view of the surrounding area. See what kind of amenities are in Fountains of Jupiter.
That'd be great. Let's do it.
These deals are really put together not just with one person. You're having somebody find the deal, there's people who maybe sign on the loan, and then you maybe have asset management. So how did you guys sort of put together the team and then decide on who's doing what after the close?
Yeah, I think that's super important, how the team comes together and how it gels, because you're going to be together for several years typically, and you spend a lot of time together. So this deal, Fountains of Jupiter, Jeff Johnson was the deal finder and the underwriter, and he did an amazing job getting everything all lined up and ready to go. Nick Espined is also on our GP team, and he has a lot of experience, and so he's like our senior advisor, and he assisted during that process a lot. And then Carrie Johnson also worked during that process to kind of get everything ready from the financials side. And she and I are the asset managers. I kind of oversee the CapEx part and kind of on-site things and the decorative elements around the property. And she and I are both on calls weekly with the on-site team and with the regional manager for the property management company. So she and I spend the most time, I think, because we're both very involved in the weekly aspect of the property and running the property. We're both involved in the monthly newsletters that we do for our investors. And then Jeff and Nick are involved as needed.